Bus insurance. Buying a commercial bus is a very large investment that can be quite profitable of your business. Charter bus companies may hire out transportation services to private clubs, organizations and local school sports leagues. Travel and tour bus businesses profit from simple sightseeing day trip to longer travel adventures for a group of people. Commercial bus lines provide transportation between major cities and destinations. Companies own buses are not cheap to lease or purchase. Thus, they become a significant investment for your business. When those buses are damaged or destroyed due to auto accident or other unexpected events, the cost of repair can be too much for your company to handle all at once. That is why it's so important to make sure your bus is protected with the most auto insurance that it can be. Here are the primary types of commercial auto insurance coverage you should carry on your company bus. Liability insurance. Accident happens and sometimes your bus driver will be the one who is at fault. When your bus is involved in an auto accident that your driver caused, your company is required by law to pay for any damage and injuries that were caused. Liability insurance provides that basic level of protection. It helps protect your company from the severe financial strains that accident bills can cause. Since liability insurance is mandated by law in most parts of the United States, it also helps keep your bus legal for driving on the road. Liability insurance protects you in two key areas: physical injuries and property damages. Bodily injury. Bodily injuries is physical harm. When your company bus is found to be at fault in an auto accident and one or more people in the other vehicle suffered physical injuries, the bodily injury portion of your liability coverage will pay for their medical care. Bodily injury coverage pays for the cost of emergency transport to the hospital, emergency medical services, extended hospital stays, the cost of rehabilitation and recuperation, and related medical expenses that result from the accident. This part of your insurance also pays the victim's funeral expenses if someone is injured fatally, and it can pay for lost wages due to times of work or pain and suffering. Property damage. When your bus is in an accident that it caused or was at fault for, other property may have been damaged. Another car may have gotten dented. For example, the property damages portion of your liability insurance coverage pays the repair bill so that damaged property can be put back to the way it was before the accident. Medical payments. Medical payments insurance is particularly important for a bus because it protects the driver and all passengers who were on board at the time of the accident. Medical payments coverage pays the associated medical bills and treatment expenses for all persons in the bus regardless of who was at fault for the accident. This commercial insurance coverage is not available in all locations. Speak with one of our licensed representatives today so that we can help you determine the availability of this coverage for your company. Physical damage insurance. Physical damage insurance protects your bus itself. This is important insurance to help prevent you from losing everything you have heavily invested into the bus. If your bus is leased or not paid off in full yet, this coverage is highly recommended to ensure that you are able to cover the cost of repair or replacement if it gets damaged. Comprehensive physical damage protection. Comprehensive damage protection prevents you from having to pay for damage or losses that are caused by non-collision and non-rollover events. If your bus is vandalized, for example, or it is stolen, comprehensive coverage pays for the repair and replacement. This insurance also protects you if damaged in a storm, such as when your tree or power pole fall on it. Collision damage protection specifically protects you against damage that are caused when your bus overturns or when it collides with another object. For example, if your bus driver turns a tight corner and goes up over the curb, striking a bus bench, your claim damage protection will pay for the resulting repair expenses. Specified peril CSC. CSC is fire and theft, the combined additional coverage. This insurance is also referred to as specified peril coverage. It protects you from non-collision perils but is limited to providing protection for only those risks and events listed on your insurance policies.